We got us 2 slabs of baby backs, and we're making some party ribs today. Stick around. Welcome back to Heat of the Drum. My name is Steve. Today we are doing party ribs. What are party ribs, you may ask? Basically, we're going to take a couple slabs of baby back ribs and we're going to cut them up into individual little party portions. We're going to rub them up, then we're going to put them in the drum and smoke them up, and then at the end, we're going to eat them up. So the first thing we got to do is make a rub. Let's go over the ingredients real quick. What you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of dark chili powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of regular salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2/3 a cup of honey powder. And I have all that right there. Let's add our honey powder in and get it mixed up. Making a big batch of rub today because we got a lot of individual little ribs we got to season up. And when you're done, it's going to look like that. All right, so here's our 2 racks of baby backs, and all I'm going to do is flip them upside down just so I can see the bones a little bit better. I'm going to leave the membrane on. I'm not messing with that today. And all we're going to do is just come in here and portion these guys up. We're going to cut in between each bone. And let's see here. Let's get this guy right here. And we're just going to cut this little bone off here right at the end. There we go. Looking real good. Let's get these things rubbed up. Set those off to the side. Let's get basically have a couple little racks here that I'm going to try to set all these on once we get them rubbed up. I transferred the rub into my trusty little shaker here, and let's get these things rubbed up. Here we go. And we're going to hit them pretty good with it. And here comes the rain again. It's been a rainy afternoon here at Heat of the Drum, but we're making party ribs, so we don't mind. We're dry, and we're getting ready to smoke some ribs, so I'm not complaining. Like I said, we're going to hit them pretty good. This rub. All sides. The ribs are sticky enough that I did not need to use a binder. That's the last in the jar. So we'll just kind of do one of these numbers now and finish getting the rest of these done. One more. And that leaves us with a nice tray of party ribs. These are going to go back in the fridge for 1 hour, and we're going to fire this drum up. Today we're using some Cowboy Oak and Hickory blend lump mixed with a little Kingsford. And we're going to add to that some hickory. My favorite part of the day. So it's been 1 hour since we put the rub on, and what I did is I took these out of the fridge about 10 minutes ago, and man, they're looking good already, and we ain't even got them on the smoker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, and with these kind of smaller ones, I am going to see if we can get these to stand upright. I guess however they sit is how they sit, huh? We are going to put the smaller ones towards the center and work our way out. Try to work kind of quick here. Just like that. All right, highlight of the day, the ribs, I should say party ribs are on. And what I did is I just set my little trusty timer here for 1 hour. At 1 hour, we're going to get in there and rotate them and get our first look at those. Now let's talk drum smoker temp. Today I'm doing 250, give or take, right around that range. So let them smoke for an hour, and I'll see you then. 1 hour in, time to rotate and get our first look at these party ribs. Here we go. Oh yeah. Get these things rotated. $149 on that guy. Let's come over here. $149 on that guy. Nice and even cooking. Look at that, man. So we just hit 149. So we're looking for about 160, 165. Then we're going to move on to our next step. So you guys seen me using the ThermoPro Lightning. If you want to get one of these, I got a link in my description that'll give you 20% off. So check that out. It's Heat of the Drum 20. And follow that link, and then that'll help out the channel and help me keep bringing these videos to you guys. So 160, 165, right around that range is when I'll see you again. It's been 1 hour and 50 minutes. Let's get the lid off and get a temp on these. Oh yeah, look at those. 165, 166. So these outer ones are definitely there. Yeah, 160. We're wrapping. So what I'm going to do is just come in here with a tin. I'm going to grab these out of here and get them in this tin. Oh yeah. These are going to be good. Got them in the tin. Let's move on to the next step. Now, what I have here is basically just 3 ingredients. I got a couple cans of pineapple juice. These are 6 ounces each, 12 ounces total. I'm going to put in there. Got some honey. And I like to try different barbecue sauces now and then. And this week, I picked up Swamp Boys Original. So all I'm going to do is take both of these cans of pineapple juice. And I'm just going to pour it over all these. Both cans. Come in here with our Swamp Boys. And we're going to drizzle across. About like that. And then we can't forget our honey. Let's come in with some honey. Let's get them back on. Come in here with my other thermometer probe here. And we're just going to come in right here. And we're going to add some foil. And get the lid back on. We just hit 205. Let's get a look at these. Let's get a look at these. Oh, man. Woo-wee. $205, $204, yeah, $205, $206, $205. So now we're going to get these back out and start putting them back on the smoker. Man, these smell good. And all I'm going to do is just take some juice from the pan here and apply it to the tops of all these. Man, they smell good. Just like this. Boom, 5 more minutes. After that, we're going to get in there, baste them again, give them another 5 minutes, and then these are coming off. It's been 5 minutes. Let's get in here and baste them again. Oh Man, those look good. Looking real good. 5 more minutes. But another 5 minutes. Let's get them off. Oh man, look at those. Wow, these look good. All right, and the only thing I'm going to do with these is cover them. For about 10 minutes. It's time. Let's get a look at these things. Look at those. And remember all that juice? I didn't waste it. I put it in this fat separator. Now we're just going to add a little bit to the top. Nice liquidy drench of great flavors. Just like that. Now it's time to get one of these and take a bite. Here we go. Mmm. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Good flavor. Good bite off the bone. These are really good. Nothing but meat. Mm. So this is my take on party ribs. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to be partying tonight eating these. Wow, those are good. I've already ate like 3 of them. Remember, you can do this too. Until the next time I see you on Heat of the Drum. About a 4th one. Oh, yeah. Mmm.